All right, today we are going to add a CSS style sheet for our custom styles. We're going to add our style sheet link and a cloudfare link for future animations that we're going to insert in this particular web document. And we are going to also add our JavaScript tag down at the base of our body. So let's go ahead and do that or get started on that right now. I'm going to go ahead here. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add into here a new file. Okay, this is the first thing you want to do. You want to call this style.css just for accurate description of what it is that you're going to be using it for. So now we have that. You can see that it's been added here. Let's get back into our HTML. Now the second thing that we want to do is we want to add our link to our style sheet. So I'm going to put that underneath this title. I'm going to write my link tab. There it is, comes up. Our href for this is going to be style.css, the name of our file. And then we're going to give it a type. And that type is going to be text /CSS. There you go. And it's as simple as that. Now let's go ahead and test that. We want to make sure that what we're doing works. So let's go into your style sheet and let's do our first attempt at a custom style. So we're going to do it with using your body tag. And we're going to go ahead and do a background color of, let's do red. And then what we have to do, just in case, because we don't want to be overridden by our inline styling with our Tailwind CSS framework. So you put the exclamation point important in there and it will supersede any of those stylings. Now let's check it and make sure that it's working. Now you can see down here at the end I've got the port 5500. That means that I'm on live server. I'm using the live server extension. You're going to want that if you're using VSCode. It just makes things so much easier. So let's go over to this and let's see, and we will bring it up and you can see that it has rendered it as red. Now let me remove this style. And now let's go back to that. And you can see that it went ahead and removed that. So our style sheet is linked in the appropriate way. So we're good there. Let's go back here. Now what we want to do underneath this particular link is we want to add another link. And this link in particular is going to be for the animations in the future portions of the document. So let's give this one, it's kind of a long drawn out one. This is our cloudfare. And it also uses CDN.js because there's a JavaScript in there. Cloudfare, and again, make sure as you're typing these out that you are paying attention to all your spelling and camel case, all these types of things, because you want to make sure that you get it correct or it's not going to work, and then you're going to have headaches. Okay, there's our script. I'm sorry, our link tab. That is our link tag for that. So we've got that. Now let's go ahead down towards the bottom and let's insert our JavaScript We're going to put that right here. Just ignore the header tag. We've got a lot that we still need to put in there. Now this is going to be a script tag. And in this script tag, we're going to do the src, which didn't automatically populate. And our src is going to be our script.js. And that's JavaScript, of course. That's pretty much all there is to this particular tag. And then we can get to testing that afterwards. I'm not going to test that one right now. Right, and I think that will conclude this particular video. We went ahead and we put our style sheet link, our style.css, which you can see over here. Style.css. You want to make sure that when you do this, you use the right new file or folder. We're going to do an images folder as well. We can start to add those type of things, but you do not go up here and edit in there. Okay. Because you can see the difference. It's untitled text. So save all. So you want to come down here and you want to open a folder for your images tag, and we're going to get in that in the next video.